Industrial water treatment, guide to the industrial water treatment market, sand and gravel. Throughout North America, sand and gravel is mined for a variety of different reasons, ranging from construction to paving, even to the sand that is used on golf courses. Once the sand and gravel is mined, it is then transported to a treatment or process facility. At the process facility, you will note large piles of unprocessed sand or gravel. Once the processing begins, the sand and gravel could be ground or crushed into a variety of different sizes, or or sorted or sized into the variety of different material sizes needed for specific industries. Oftentimes, the sand and gravel is contaminated with dirt and other foreign objects. This sand and gravel then must be washed to remove these contaminants. The water that comes from these washing needs to be cleaned so that it can be reused back into the process. During the cleaning process, the plant will either use a clarifier or large settling ponds. In the case of a clarifier, flocculant is added so that the solids settle more quickly and allows for the return of water into the process. Oftentimes, a flocculant will be used in pond settling also. But a lot of times in ponds, you will note the size of the pond can be very, very large. And the reason for the size of these ponds typically comes from old pits that are no longer being used and now are used for settling ponds for the solids. In the case of a clarifier, the sludge must be removed and a lot of times will be dewatered and then taken out for disposal. In the case of ponds, sometimes the solids will be allowed to settle until the pond fills and they will move to a different pond, or periodically they will dredge the pond, removing the solids from the pond and then reusing the pond. Throughout North America, the northern parts of North America, you will note that the mining process typically only goes on from the spring until the fall. During the winter, when everything is frozen, the mining of sand and gravel is halted. However, many of the southern states, the mining of sand and gravel can continue year-round. At Brenntag, we offer a variety of products that are used in the sand and gravel process. You will note here many of the products that are available to these customers for use, along with the applications. Thank you.